Hi, I'm Jennie. Today I will make one of my best kimchi. My favorite kimchi is made of cucumber like this. So I will show you the ingredients. So it's a cucumber and minced garlic and some salted shrimp and carrot and this we call buchu. But this one is a kind of herb. It's a little bit garlic favorite. So, garlic. So this is if you don't have this one, you put some green onion. It's okay. So now I will try. First, we cut the cucumber and we pour some hot salted water. So make this one. We said 절인다. When we make kimchi, we need this step. So I will show you. So first cut it. Maybe this size. And I washed it before. And one more. We usually eat this kimchi in spring and summer season. And cut like this. Okay. And then we need this step. Maybe don't cut at the end. Just leave 1 centimeters and cut like this. Okay. Like this. You make like this. Okay. Okay, it's ready. And then this is the bay salt. We need the bay salt. And the inside the cucumber, you put some of salt like this. So in a short time, you make take out water from the cucumber. Okay, and sprinkle some salt. And here you pour some water. Okay, and leave about 40 minutes or 30 and 40 minutes and leave it. And then now I will make these vegetables to mix it together and cut this carrot slice and then make very small pieces. And cut thinly and make small pieces like this. And here also I put in the bowl. And then this onion. You cut onion and the same size of carrot. Okay. And then garlic chives. You cut this one. This garlic chives. You cut. Okay. And I will make And here we mix with the chili powder. So you put, it's a small, so I will move the big size. Here. And here we put some minced garlic. And 2 spoons. And this salted shrimp. This one is a little bit salty, so 1 spoon. And some juice. And here, yes. And this one is liquid of some anchovy. Okay. And here, there's a plum syrup, and 2 spoons. And chili powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. Okay, then, and it's ready. We put these vegetables, mixed vegetables, inside of this cucumber when this is ready, when this is well salted. So, but not now. We have to wait some more minutes. Okay. Now, after 30 and 40 minutes, I will show you how this cucumber well salted. When you push like this, and this one is, can you see that? It doesn't break because it's well salted. So this time is ready. So when your cucumber is ready like this, and you wash it at first time. You just wash it one more time, and one time, just no many times, just and wash it, and here and drain the water. And okay, now I will show you how to stuff this cucumber. And this is a mixed vegetable with the chili and, you know, the seasonings, minced garlic, and this is a garlic chives and onion and carrot. And here, oh wait, I think it's a little bit more plum syrup. One more. Mixed vegetable is a little bit shiny. Also, plum syrup makes the taste is good. And here, inside the cucumber, you put this one. But it's a little bit difficult to use this spoon. So I will wear the gloves and use my fingers. It's better to wear gloves because it's the chili powder is quite spicy. And inside the cucumber, you put these vegetables like this. Okay. And also the outside of a cucumber, you put some these seasonings like this. Of course, you can eat after fill in these vegetables in the cucumber. Just when you finish it, this step. But it's better to eat tomorrow. Tomorrow is much better. the taste is much better. Okay, now it's ready. So when you preserve this one, you put this one in enclosed container and then in the refrigerator. So just after 1 or 2 days later, if you try this one, it's really good. You can eat this cucumber kimchi with kalguksu or some noodle with noodle. It's really good. Or some meat and eat together is good. Okay, try this one and I'm sure that it tastes really good. Okay, take care, all of you. See you next time. Bye.